you all. Hope so all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel, Sparkling Princess Shubhartini. Today I'm gonna share the recipe of chocolate brownie in 3 minutes. And do you know one thing? I will make this brownie on microwave. So let's get started. The ingredients are milk, flour, dark chocolate, butter, sugar. Add butter. Add the dark chocolate. Now melt it. Now mix it. Add the flour. Add the milk. Now mix it. Here I have made a smooth mixture. Add the sugar. Now mix well. Here our final batter is ready. Now let's bake it. Take a microwave proof bowl and place the butter paper. Now let's pour the batter. Now spread some dark chocolate pieces. Now microwave it for 3 minutes. The time will depend on your microwave system. So now our 3-minute brownie is ready. So as you can see, our yummy delicious brownie is ready. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, give me lots of love. Bye bye everyone.